Hey guys, welcome to your last lesson of the school year, and today you guys will be writing an essay based on your middle school and what you think it's going to be like and how you are going to make new friends. But before we start that, I want to go over a question from your assessment where we were having some trouble with this one. So it says, what is the correct way to write sentence 29 and 30? So it says, over and over, cats have come to the aid of owners and prove that they are heroic, loyal companions. So sentences with the same subject can be combined since you're describing the same person, place, or thing. By following these rules, your sentence will be more concise and interesting and far less repetitive. So when you have two different sentences, and you can see that this right here, 30, is not a complete sentence because it starts with and, but it's talking about the same subject, which is the cats. So a lot of us were picking B, but the answer was A because B, if you see that they are heroic, loyal companions, is not a complete sentence. It's a dependent clause, which goes with the 29 sentence. Over and over, cats have come to the aid of their owners. So that's why the answer is A, because if you read A, over and over, cats have come to the aid of their owners and prove that they are heroic, loyal companions. This is a complete sentence because it combined both thought subjects in the sentence when you combine them. So today, that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to teach you how to combine a sentence when it has the same subject. So the first thing is you read the sentence aloud. So over and over, Kipsters will prepare for middle school and they swim with their friends at the pool. So underline the subject. So I could see here that over the summer, Kipsters will prepare for middle school and they. So I see that the subjects are Kipsters and they. Ask yourself if the subjects are the same or if they are repetitive. So Kipsters and they. Are they talking about the same thing? Does Kipsters refer to they? It does. So if it does, I have to remove repetitive subjects and combine both sentences. So how could I remove this? I'm going to remove the pronoun and I'm going to rewrite this. So I'm going to say, over the summer, Kipsters will prepare for middle school and swim with their friends at the pool. So I don't have to put a comma here because I combine the same subject. So when you have the same subject, you can combine them with the and you do not have to put, it's not two dependent clauses, it's an independent clause with a dependent clause, and you're able, because they have the same subject and they're talking about the same thing, you're able to write this way. So what I want you to do for your guided practice is do the same thing. You're going to follow the thinking steps, write the new sentence when you combine them. And then today, your writing prompt is write about an essay describing some ways you will get to go about making new friends in middle school. So you guys are going to be going to middle school in August. So I want to see what are some ways that you're going to come up with to make new friends. Do your brainstorm here. Introduce your hook and your two topics. So what are the two ways that you will try and make new friends? And then I want you to try in your body paragraph to combine two sentences just like we did in our guided practice today, and see if you can combine a sentence and highlight it for me in your body, and then your conclusion here. And then this will be your last writing assignment. I can't wait to read it. I want to see what you're excited about. Get me interested, and just know that I missed you so much, and I look forward to reading all your essays. Bye, guys.